Hey guys, Brent here from My 50. Part of what we do is get old bikes started again so that they can be ridden again, and very often it's the simplest things that you need to do to get the bike starting. One of the most common ones, dirty carburetor, especially on two-stroke bikes. When the petrol gets old, it sits and blocks the valve, all the jets, so clean the carb and go. But today we're focusing on one which is really simple. This is a Honda Charlie behind me. I know this bike runs, but it's been in storage for probably over a year now, so a long time. It does have fuel in it, but the fuel is old. Now, old fuel battles to ignite and hence causes starting problems. So changing the fuel over and putting new fuel in can be a very simple and effective fix for getting the bike going again. You can really, once you get to know it, you can smell old fuel, smell new petrol when you go get it at the pump, sort of wave it into your nose. Don't sniff it flat out because that'll just put you on a big high. Well, maybe you want to do that, that's up to you, but I don't condone that. Well, not publicly anyway. But anyway, replacing the fuel. So what I'm going to do now is take the fuel out of this bike, the old fuel. I can smell it's not good fuel, and I'll demonstrate how it won't start now, but once I put the new fuel in, just a matter of changing the fuel, off you go. So, here we go. So you go, with choke, no start. So I'm going to change the fuel, and if my theory is correct, it should work. What I normally do with this fuel is keep it in a bottle because I can still use it for cleaning stuff, so you don't have to throw it away, but obviously if you do, throw it in a decent spot. Okay, so we filled it up with the new gas. We'll have to give it a few kicks because there'll be some old fuel in the carb. Hopefully when that gets through or mixes up, it should start. Let's test the theory. Oh. Nearly. See, that's all the old fuel getting through. See how it stops when I rev? Because it's flooding. There you go. There you go. Slowly take the choke off. So there you go, man. Sometimes starting a bike is as easy as just changing the fuel. So if your bike's not starting, obviously there's the three things: air, fuel and spark. You can check those on bikes that have been sitting for a long time though. Inevitably the carb's dirty or the fuel's old, and in this one's case, just old fuel, boom, and off it goes. So hope that's helped you guys.